What is up, everybody? It is DJ Martini Midwest Reviews coming at you with another video for my channel. Today we have a really good one. We are talking about the Cricked Gibson new 2025 Blueberry Burst controller slash instrument for Fortnite Festival and for your old Rock Band or Guitar Hero games, which is awesome for me because you get to peel another layer about DJ Martini Midwest Reviews, or DJ Martini me. Because I am a huge Rock Band fan, and I would consider myself almost a connoisseur when it comes to instruments, microphones, and all things Rock Band. Now, I'm not an expert at playing Dragon Force on expert. No, I'm not there. But I can hold my own on hard on most every song, and I also love singing karaoke to Rock Band and guitar. I guess got Guitar Hero unless you got the game, the World Tour game. But yes, I've collected the whole collection. I have all the guitars. You're going to get to see a lot on this video. But not going to be talking about the drums a lot, but we are going to be talking about the guitars, the comparison between some of the guitars and the new Cricked. Also, the Cricked review, of course, talking about all the companion app that you need, the accessories, the unboxing, all that. So I got a lot of cool information, especially if you are a Rock Band fan like me. Rock Band, yeah. So you get to peel back a layer. You get to learn a little bit more about me, that I like to nerd out. I've played Rock Band since 2005 when it came out. I can't believe I'm saying that. 2005, it's 20 years old. Guitar Hero came out in 2005. Rock Band came out in 2007, so that'll be a 20-year anniversary in 2027. I hear in 2026, Fortnite Festival is going to be doing something, maybe its own game. So this guitar is going to help you play games like that here in the future. So a lot of information. This gives me a chance to go back in time and talk about some stuff in a video that I've wanted to make for so long. It's going to be a little bit long, but guess what? I have the microphone, so you got to listen to every word I say. No, I am going to get a little chatty because, like I said, I'm going back in time and talking about some fun stuff that I love. I love music. Goes with me being a DJ and all that stuff. But I love Rock Band, Guitar Hero, those types of things. Played so much with my friends. Tons of parties, tons of Rock Band sessions into the wee hours of the morning with cocktails. So it's just been really fun. Some of the greatest memories of my life. And so, yeah, I'm just a nerd like that. But hopefully a lot of people will join me to talk about Rock Band and enjoy this video. Stay for the whole video. Like I said, a lot of information coming, including comparisons, microphones, and the Cricked guitar as well. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. DJ Martini Midwest Reviews. If you've never tuned in, just know I love doing reviews. I love talking about things like this, getting that information out to you as easy as possible, and leaving some links in case you're interested in some of the products that we talk about. I will leave some links so you can get to whatever you need to here. Just thank you guys so much for joining the Martini Nation, for the subscribers that I have. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Let's continue to grow this Martini Nation with a great community like we are building. And like I said, if I can just help one or two people find some products they were looking for, or get one or two people some new products that they've never heard of, I'm doing my job, and thank you guys. All right, let's get into the Gibson Cricked guitar right here. Here it is right here. Very cool. It is called the Blueberry Burst Pro Edition. It is a multi-platform edition as well. If you want this for Xbox, you will have to get the officially licensed Xbox edition, but this one will work for PC, Android, Switch, and PlayStation. So very cool on the Blueberry Burst. That's why I picked this one up. I will talk about the difference between this Blueberry Burst and the Encore edition, which they also have. The differences here in a little bit. I do love the look of the Encore version. I'll flash a picture real quick. Nice black, sleek look. But I wanted this edition just because it's going to help you play a couple extra games, or one extra game, and also be able to be compatible with the new technology that I wanted to test in this guitar as well. So very cool. We'll talk about the specs and price a little bit later, but let's go ahead and tell you what's in the box. And so this is in the box right here. I'll show these here in a second. But in the box, you open it up and it has their giant QR code. So go ahead and scan the QR code and download the companion app first thing, because that's something you will need to do, is have the companion app. Unfortunately, we'll talk about that. But yes, there was the box. Like I said, it came in 3 boxes. I took a box off, it was in another box, and then it was in this box. So yes, it was kind of redundant to get to, but it's very, very cool when you open it up. You did have to just assemble the neck to the body and then put the strap on as well, and you were good to go there. It does come with the instructions, which also has that QR code. You do have the accessory stickers for Fortnite Festival, which we'll talk about here in a second. And you'll also get a 10-foot cord right here. Now, Crict, please come out with some accessories like a 20-foot cord or a 15-foot cord, because to make it from the USB Type-C that it comes with to my PlayStation, to my couch, or somewhere in my living room, if I was standing up, maybe I want to move around a little bit, you need a 15 to 20-foot cord. 10 foot's too short. So if you wanted a zero lag experience, you kind of have a short cord for that. So you'd have to kind of move up closer. So Crict needs to come out with a longer cord. I did buy this on my own with my own money, all that good stuff. And so, you know, hopefully they'll take any feedback, but yes, you need a longer cord. This is too short, but I do like the cord. It does have their logos on it and stuff. Very, very cool. And a nice cord, but it needs to be longer, in my opinion. I think most people would agree with that. All right, let's go ahead and grab the Blueberry Burst. And boom. All right, guys, this is the Blueberry Burst. It looks fantastic, in my opinion. Very, very chic, sleek. I think to put the buttons in great places. This would be your plug-in for USB Type-C. This is your selector switch for whatever you're using, PC, Switch, Android, or PlayStation on the end. Has your pair button right here. Has your top buttons like you would have on your controller for PlayStation, you know, your select, start, and your big old clear D-pad there. So it has those 3 buttons, and it has, you can see, kind of works like a controller. It has 2 joysticks, and then it has a selector mode for, we'll talk about here in a second. You can see the LEDs going there a little bit. It does have this button right here, which is your rock out button basically, or your control button, which is for your companion app, but it's also the Rockband or Guitar Hero rock out button when you rock out. Very, very cool. It does have your normal colored frets on the top, and it does have all your buttons here for Fortnite Festival, and a little like D-pad on the back with directional buttons. So 4 different buttons on the back as well. The back has their logo. It does have 2 mounting points for the strap, one on the neck right here and one on the body right there, which is the one I usually use. Other than that, whammy bar, very good. It has the LEDs, and it has LEDs in the neck, which I'll show you a little bit when I show you me playing some music. I'll have the music muted, but you'll get to at least see me using the guitar and the colors and everything. So pretty cool. Other than that, the biggest things you need to know about this is the control button right here. Like I said, you'll select what platform you're using here, and then you'll go to here. And if you're playing Rock Band or Guitar Hero, you want to be in mode 1 right here on the volume button, mode 1. It does have some other modes that you can set up. But if you're playing Fortnite Festival on Android, or of course PC, PlayStation, Switch, then you're going to want to go to 9. You're going to go all the way to 9, select that one, and select whatever you're using. They do have full instructions on how to get that done. I'm not going to show it on this video because we go super long. So I'm not going to show you on the video, but go to Crict. They have really good instructions on setup and, you know, setting up your app and then setting up on the platform you're going to play. And it's really good instructions on their website. So go ahead and scan those QR codes, get to their website, use their stuff, and it will be quicker and a better video than me chatting away on it in this one. So, because we want to get to some other stuff, but very, very cool guitar so far. I think the biggest difference between this one and the Encore version that we were talking about earlier is that number 9 keyboard key jam or keyboard mode. Like I said, for Fortnite Festival, so if you play, and it has the old school frets. It says standard frets. This has mechanical frets and also has haptic feedback on the strum bar, which is very, very cool. I can't explain it, but the haptic feedback is there. It's very neat. But the buttons right here are super silky smooth. They're not super loud. Strum bar, like I said, fantastic. And I love the way this plays. It's very comfortable, very smooth. It feels easy to play, easy to use, very familiar, all that good stuff. It's just like a Guitar Hero type guitar. And we'll do some comparison here in just a minute, but that's where we're at. All right, like the guitar, good job, correct. All right, let's go ahead and give some specs on this just really quick. They do have some accessories for this, and we'll talk about that when I talk about the comparison. But this guitar will cost you $124. The Encore will cost you $114, so $10 less. And then the Xbox officially licensed version will cost you $134, so it's more expensive for Xbox users out there. Like I said, this is a replica Gibson Les Paul Blueberry Burst. And then, like I said, I just wanted to go into the difference, the classic feel as a Guitar Hero type guitar, but does work for Guitar Hero, Rock Band, and Band Hero as well. And it has the tilt sensor for rock out. It has the rock out button with that control button. And then the difference, like I said, the Encore version has standard frets is what they're calling it. And it doesn't have that key jam mode, which is the keyboard mode. So I'm not 100% sure that it works with Fortnite Festival as well as this version. So something you want. Now, this does have Bluetooth, the dongle, and it can be hooked up via the cable. But like I said, the cable's a little short. So just something to let you know. And it does have that keyboard and mouse mode on this Blueberry Burst. So it's kind of the reason why you want to go with the Blueberry Burst over the Encore. I think the Encore is made for, old school users that just want a new guitar for their Rock Band or Guitar Hero games. All right. Other than that, I think the Bluetooth works really, really good. I don't know exactly what Bluetooth it is, but I do know that the dongle works over the 2.4 gigahertz area there. So very cool there. All right, let's go ahead. They do have some accessories, which we're going to talk about, like I said. So this is definitely a Guitar Hero guitar. And so this is a 2005 Guitar Hero guitar right here. You can see definitely similar size, similar head, similar look. But the buttons are definitely so much louder. Strum bar is almost comical loud. But I do remember just jamming this thing out. But yes, that is what the comparison is on there compared to so much different, so much nicer. But yes, but then I do want to give you this for $40 more. You can pick up accessories. They do have a bag for your guitar if you want to go portable and take it to a friend's house. And they do have a standard fretboard if you want the classic feel of your original Guitar Hero guitar for $40. This one has the mechanical frets, but they have standard fret version, but it's still another $40. But if you coming out in October, I saw on their website, they have the Guitar Hero, and this is I gotta make sure I grab the right one here. This is the OG Rock Band guitar from 2007. You can see there. I've always loved their strum bar though, because that was just nice. But yes, it's going to have a neck like this, so you can have the buttons on the bottom for your Rock Band, buttons on top, and you'll be able to interchange between a Guitar Hero format and a Rock Band format, which is super cool. So for only $40 more, that's definitely an investment that you'd want to make. That way you can change this guitar from a Guitar Hero guitar or a Rock Band guitar. So that's super cool. And it's only $40 more, so I don't think that's a super expense. And you'll be able to interchange it into a Guitar Hero guitar. So very, very cool. So we'll put this one down again. I do want to show you two more guitars real quick. So this is the Rock Band 4 Very similar to their Jaguar type, but this is the Fender Stratocaster Rockband 4 Bluetooth version, so it did have Bluetooth. And once again, that strummer, oh, it was so nice. And the buttons actually felt pretty good too on this one. So they definitely upgraded it. And but this was your Rockband 4 guitar, and it was Bluetooth, but this is the PlayStation version. I also had the Xbox version right here. And you can see that is the Xbox version right there. Same guitar, a little more rattle on that one. Very good. And then I did want to show you the final Guitar Hero guitar that they made. It did have the different frets up here. It was a great game. You could play to the videos and stuff online. Unfortunately, you can still play the game, but you can't play the videos anymore online. So, but yes, this was the final. And it actually had a different style neck compared to this one. Yeah, see, it was a little bit different. Changed the buttons. Size was a little bit longer, but very, very cool there. So anyways, I just wanted to kind of give you a comparison on that, and was super excited that Crick kind of did the right thing by saying, yes, we're going to have this guitar in both versions for your Rockband fans and for the Guitar Hero fans, which is super cool. All right, buddy, let's wrap this video up and let you know, definitely on the Crick guitar that we were originally talking about. It's a fantastic guitar. It's going to make you happy again, make you want to play Fortnite Festival as well. With 2026, hopefully they're coming out with a full game to be able to use this guitar. Also, it works with Rockband, Guitar Hero, Band Hero, and so you're going to be able to have fun playing those games again with this guitar. If you need a new guitar, I will leave links for the old guitars if you're still old school, want to check those out. I will leave links in the description for all the microphones we talked about for SingStar and Rockband, Guitar Hero World Tour, all those types of things. It is really cool to play with a wireless guitar these days and play with a wireless microphone. So those accessories are very cool as well if you want to get into that. But hopefully this information was helpful to a couple people. Hopefully the checking out all the microphone sounds and seeing the comparisons on the guitars were helpful. And I can't wait till they come out with more accessories for the Blueberry Burst. I can't wait to get that neck. Hopefully I can make a little mini video on that as well. But this has been super nerdy for me and fun to be able to come back and talk about Rockband in 2025 since it's 20 years old. Been super fun, so I hope everybody enjoys turning it up to 10 and rocking out your guitar, checking that out and having fun with it. So thank you so much for tuning in. It's been DJ Martini Midwest. Please like, subscribe, and share if this is helpful at all. And I can't wait to see you on my next video or tutorial. We'll catch you guys all later.